Sushmita Devarma on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA department, Joel Devarma on the stage, please. Dai, Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with the guitar. Like a hambay? Sini, first runners up. Oh, Bukuk Sushmita. Bukuk Sushmita nini trophies. Bas kango yapertakap. Sini EM ICA department and sports ni besintike. Suhel Devarma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event and a very tough competition. To the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani take panang mano. Baksani anya panang mano. But sing jota ya pakol le jota chir khol le. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the second and the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bono ya panabagang koi dai. Sini GTA di sini ngai EM featuring Rajesh TIPRA. Balai ka hambay. Kaisa trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount 50,000 rupees. Boni logio kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount 2 rupees, 50,000. And no nibus kango. And tabuk sini final winner. No announce final na ito. Piyaba. Winner na sikang tubuk lang. Puilang nung inahanay sini GTA di sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir, please. And now that final round. The final round is Rupesh Devarma on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents TIPRA Idol Season. Wow! Guys, a trophy. Guys, a guitar. Logio. Guys, a scooty tie. 1 lakh rupees amount of check and a scooty. Sengjoto ya pakaulan ni Navin Bagay. And this is history from today on. Second edition ni Bagay. Tago tayo po song. Joto ready dito. Sing TIPRA Idol Season 2. There was an high name hello.